Deep within the human body, a remarkable journey begins. It starts with the meeting of two tiny cells, an egg from the mother and a sperm from the father. This union, known as conception, is the very first step in the creation of a new human life. The sperm, after a perilous journey, reaches the egg and penetrates its outer layers. This fusion creates a single cell, known as a zygote, containing a complete set of genetic instructions to build a new human being. This single cell holds the blueprint for all the characteristics that make us uniquely human. Safe within the mother's womb, the newly formed zygote embarks on rapid growth and development. The zygote divides rapidly, forming a cluster of cells that travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. Here, it implants itself in the uterine wall, marking the beginning of pregnancy. Within the womb, the developing human, now called an embryo, is nurtured and protected. The placenta forms the connection between the mother and the embryo, supplying it with oxygen and nutrients. By the end of the 8th week, the embryo is about an inch long and has rudimentary limbs, eyes, ears, and a beating heart. It is now called a fetus, and its journey towards becoming a fully formed human being continues. The arrival of a newborn baby into the world is a moment filled with wonder and joy. This transition from the sheltered environment of the womb to the outside world marks the beginning of childhood. Newborns possess an incredible array of instincts that ensure their survival. They are born with the ability to suckle, cry to signal their needs, and even mimic facial expressions. As babies grow, they explore the world around them through their senses. Language development begins, with babies babbling and cooing, gradually forming words and sentences. Childhood is a time of immense physical and cognitive development. Section 4. The metamorphosis of adolescence. Adolescence, a period bridging childhood and adulthood, is a time of profound physical, emotional, and social changes. One of the most visible changes during adolescence is the growth spurt, a period of rapid physical development. Hormones surge through the body, leading to changes in body shape, size, and sexual maturity. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for planning, decision-making, and impulse control, undergoes significant changes. Emotionally, adolescence can be a rollercoaster ride. Hormones, coupled with the challenges of identity formation and social pressures, can lead to mood swings and a desire for independence. Section 5. Threshold of adulthood. The transition from adolescence to adulthood is a gradual process, marked by significant milestones and a growing sense of responsibility. It is a time for exploring new possibilities, establishing careers, and forming meaningful relationships. Adulthood brings with it new challenges and responsibilities. Many young adults navigate the complexities of higher education, career choices, and financial independence. They form intimate relationships, learn to manage their own households, and may even start families of their own. Adulthood is a continuing journey of growth and learning. Section 6. The enduring wonder. From conception to the twilight years, the human journey is an extraordinary testament to the power of life and the resilience of the human spirit. The journey from womb to adulthood, though shared by all humans, is unique for each individual. Our experiences shape us, our relationships define us, and our choices determine the course of our lives. The human story is still being written, each generation adding its own unique chapter to the ever-evolving narrative of humanity. And as we look to the future, we can do so with hope, knowing that the same spirit of resilience and innovation will continue to guide us forward.